Endress+Hauser is a global leader in measurement and automation technology for processes and for laboratory applications. The challenges are really different from different segments. However, if I have to really categorize them into the most common ones which are faced by the industries, these are basically around forecasting, capacity planning, inventory management, improving the operational efficiency and reducing the wastes. But the most important one is improving the response time. And of course, the overall environmental impact that it causes. It's a very wide and complex subject, but what I have really understood is that one can make an analogy with a human brain. For example, if you take a process industry who are our key customers, the process data is like memory of human brain, and AI is the ability to synthesize and make meaningful usage out of this data. AI would certainly help the manufacturing industries in general to overcome a lot of challenges that I have mentioned in the beginning.